Oh? Is that what you think? Is that a couch cushion? Yes, this is a couch cushion. Those are so many thoughts. I think I might agree with you. Jeans taste yummy. Was there anything else you wanted to say? Ooh. You want down? Let me help you down. Ready to go down? Down. There you go. Down. Mommy helped you. Isn't that better?